Hello and welcome to Speeding Up Your PC with ZealPlex. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Nazar, and in this video series I'm going to be explaining you about how you can make your computer run faster as it is running right now. So as I was going to explain you, but let me tell you about my introduction. So I just wanted to show you that I'm actually working with computers for a very long time and I have most of the experience working with Windows. So in this video I'm going to be explaining you how you can manage it to make it much more faster as it is working right now. So let me just give you one example what actually happened, that the reason I'm going to explain you. So I was going for some place and I just found some guy who was actually going to buy a new computer. The reason behind buying a new computer was his computer was working pretty slow. So I just opened up Photoshop in that computer and it was taking, for example, 1 or 2 minutes to open and load up the Photoshop. So I was messed up that why the reason is that its computer is working very slow was all of the things are there and he is not cleaned up anything. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and clean all of the waste file which is not been used, and it is going to take loading of your computer, and that's how the computer speed gets slow. So let me just go ahead and explain you quickly that how you can do that. So as you can see in front of your screen that this is my desktop screen, and as you can see there are a lot of icons. So many a times what happens if you find some movie which is your favorite or which you want to watch it in the next couple of days, you can go ahead and take that movie and paste it on your desktop so you get reminder and you just open it and play it. But in case you can make it a shortcut for that. So let me just go ahead and explain you about the shortcuts. As you can see it in front of your screen, there are a lot of icons on my desktop. So there is one recycle bin which you must be having, everyone has. So let me just go ahead and explain you all of the things which is there. So there you can see in place of here there is my iTunes. Now it is a shortcut. Why it is a shortcut? Because there you can see one arrow which is going to determine that it is a shortcut, and from that arrow I understand that it's a shortcut. As you can see it right over here, there is no shortcut, and I had pasted one movie which is taking 1.37 GB. That is lot of space which is taken by my PC. So whenever my computer turn on, it is going to load up all of these things, and that's the reason RAM and all of the things are taking loading, because it is actually loading all of this on your PC whenever it turns on. So it is taking 1 GB of time because the RAM is actually working on it, and that's how it is going to take time whenever it starts up. So when I go ahead and hit on the properties, you can see it takes 1.37 GB, and in place of shortcut, if I hover over here and click on properties of iTunes, on the details you will see that it takes 1.77 KB. That is very less as compared to movie. So you must always do one thing, that if I go inside this PC, you must always go ahead and, as you can see, it says 8.64 GB. Let me reduce it because it is going to take some drive space on my C drive, and C drive is where actually Windows has been installed. So as you can see it right over here, I'm going to decrease it just by removing my movie right over here. If I go ahead and delete it, it's gonna go away. And second thing, always keep your recycle bin empty. So let me just go and see the properties. As you can see that it is taking a lot of the space. So let me just go ahead and empty my recycle bin. Okay, so now if I go in my PC, there you see 2 GB of space is been removed from my C drive, and that's how it is gonna take some less space. So you know that how it determined that what is the size. As you can see 102 MB, and shortcut takes less space. So I'll see you in the next one. I think you might understand about shortcuts and all of the big projects. So see you in the next one.